You know, for a lot of years, the power pole is just beginning to get more and more important in our fishing arsenal. And one of the things that I wanted to talk a little bit about is how easy power pole has made it to basically control this thing from anywhere in your boat. One of the features here, and I use these a ton, are actually the foot switches. And I have these mounted all the way in the bow of my boat. So basically an up and a down foot switch, very, very simple. You also, with the power pole blades, get a dash switch. Now the last thing that I want to cover is something that has really a lot of different options in terms of the whole power pole system, and it's the use of your cell phone on the SeaMonster app. But you actually can obviously control the power pole through your SeaMonster app, and whether you have iPhone or Android, you just download that app. It's a free app to use. But one of the things that I wanted to cover is many people have asked throughout the years, if you have a shorter garage door, what do you do? And with all these different options to basically control the power pole, you know, obviously we're looking at the height of this one. It's a 10-foot blade, so it's pretty high. And for about 7 years, I had an 8-foot garage door. So I would have to put the power pole down a little bit to get into the entrance and then bring it back up to back it all the way in, because I had a garage where my boat just barely fit. And that's pretty common throughout the country. So what I will tell you to do, and it will make your life so much easier, is with all these different options, you have a lanyard, you have foot switch possibilities where you could even just put them in your truck, you have a dash console. Make sure you have something in your truck that when you get back home, specifically it always seems like you're getting back home at night, you can simply just lower that power pole without having to get out of your truck, back it in, raise that power pole back up, and get your boat all ready to go in your garage. So many different options that power pole gives you to control this thing. And I'll tell you what, every single year that goes by, this thing is getting more important into our fishing arsenal, whether it's casting or trolling techniques.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.